Make no mistake, this isn't Durga Pujo, this isn't a carnival. This is probably Kolkata's way of showing the mourn and of course, and unity in anger to voice out their protest against rape and every atrocity against women. This is the midnight to India's independence, that is 15th of August. Yes, it is not 1947, but it's no less a shame in 2024, at the very eve of India's independence, that is 15th of August, all these people have come down. Many are not holding an Indian flag, but posters like this, and which reads, Happy Independence Day to men. Enjoy your freedom. Just remember, it's built on the back of women's silence. Justice for Tilottama, RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. This gathering is basically a gathering of all women and men and everyone who believe that justice is the need of this very hour, and justice is the need for every individual for a better world. It is close to midnight, and at the stroke of midnight, as India got independence, this is possibly we haven't really seen before. As people in thousands have united in anger and protest as they cheer, not Happy Independence Day, but we want justice. It's a call to the world, it's a call to the judiciary, it's a call to authority, it's a call to administration, it's a call to one and every politician. We want justice. There cannot be a series on Nirbhaya, Nirbhaya 1, Nirbhaya 2 and wait for Nirbhaya 3.
Of course, we are not safe anywhere. We are not safe here also. We don't know why what happens. We are not safe anywhere. If a lady in her duty hours is not safe, in her own working place is not safe, then where? The question remains. Where will us be safe?
Even as we speak, there could be a moment where some part of the country, somebody is being wronged or being raped. And thus, people have all erupted in anger and absolutely in protest. They are saying the wait is over and the tolerance is over. And that's the reason they are saying we want justice at the stroke of midnight as they wish India Happy Independence Day. They also want to remind India that there can be a better India without the rapist, without anyone molesting another woman. Bajbo na bachabo. Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not a doctor, but my sister is, my father is. And I think this movement is not just of the doctors, it's for every girl, it's for every woman. And I feel our identity is not just someone's sister, someone's wife or someone's daughter. We are women, we have names, and here are we to claim our night. We are here to make history. And I feel this is the correct time. I feel every day is a correct day to start something and a great movement. And I think it's not just the doctors, it's everyone, it's for everyone.
আর কতটা নগ্ন হলে করবি তবে ক্ষমা, আর কতবার বললে তবে জাগবে তিলোত্তমা. It hurts deep inside. I repeat, I do not like the name calling Tilottama. She has a name and her identity is sacrosanct. But then if people are willing to call her Tilottama because law bounds us, so be it. Ma'am, এটা আপনি লিখেছেন, you wrote this.
Yes, sir. So actually Tilottama is called to be city of joy. But today in Kolkata right now we are in no emotion to feel joy. We are losing our joy. My freedom will be when I am free to walk out in the public place. I am not afraid of any unknown man around me. If that day comes, that day I'll feel as a woman I am free. I have got my freedom. If I am not frightened from any unknown man around me.
Okay. অনেক হলো মানার দিন, মেয়েরা এবার হও স্বাধীন। অনেক হলো মানার দিন, মেয়েরা আবার হও স্বাধীন। Enough you have tolerated, be free now. I do get to see several elderly women and men have come down. It is also a testament of grit. It is also a testimony of grit. Where young people have taken to street with the protest, they have said, you are not alone, we are very much there. Ma'am, নমস্কার। you are very elderly, a woman, ma'am.
She is 80 plus years কিন্তু আজকে শুধু প্রতিবাদে আসবে বলে উনি এসেছেন। She is not well কিন্তু তাও ওনাকে নিয়ে এসেছি, উনি আসবেন জেদ করেছেন তার জন্য।
মা আপনার নাম কি?
মঞ্জু ব্যানার্জি।
আপনি আজকে এদেরকে সাহস দিতে এসেছেন?
একদম।
She is 80 years old, and as I hold her hand like this, I think this is a commitment and a transfer of energy from 80 to say whatever my age is, and she is trying to transfer this very energy from here to one and all these young people who have come out to show solidarity and kind of express their protest and of course their anger. Ma'am, where are you from and how long have you been here?
আমি গড়িয়া থেকে এসেছি। আজকে একজন মা হিসেবে এসেছি, একজন নারী হিসেবে এসেছি যে আমরা কতটা সুরক্ষিত। আমিও চাকরি করি, আমার সন্তান বড় হয়েছে, আজকে যেই মায়ের কোল ফাঁকা হয়েছে সেই জায়গায় নিজেকে দাঁড় করিয়ে তার যন্ত্রণা, তার কষ্ট, আজ এটা হয়ে গেছে যেটা আর যেন এটা না হয়, আমরা যাতে সুরক্ষিত থাকি। আমরা এখানে কোনো বিভেদ করতে আসিনি নারী পুরুষের, আমরা এসেছি আমাদের সুরক্ষার দাবিতে। যা ঘটনা ঘটেছে এই ঘটনার যেন আর কোনো রিপিট না হয়।
ওকে, কেমন ধরনের শাস্তি পেলে মানুষের মধ্যে ভয়টা জাগতে পারে?
যদি আমার ভিউতে বলি, কোনো আইনি শাস্তি নয়, যে এই কাজ করেছে, যারা করেছে, কোনো একজন করেনি, যারা করেছে তাদের প্রত্যেককে পাবলিকের হাতে ছেড়ে দেবা, পাবলিক ওদেরকে শাস্তি দেবে, পাবলিক শাস্তি দেবে, দৃষ্টান্তমূলক শাস্তি হয়ে থাকবে, কোনো জেল, কোনো কারাদণ্ড কিছু না।
She is saying no more jail, no more incarceration, hand them over to people and we will deal with them. It has also started raining. And look here, the crowd hasn't moved an inch. They're only trying to get closer and closer with their posters. Believe you me, I haven't really seen a scene of this kind in many years. A city which is so deeply hot and anguished over this brutal rape and murder of this 31-year-old postgraduate student of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. All these people have come out in demand for justice. I do see a gentleman holding an Indian flag out here. Well, the crowd is still pushing. So, what's your name?
My name is Shayan Chattopadhyay.
Are you from here, local?
I am here, I am local.
Okay, when is the last time you have seen a scene of this kind here in
Never,
Kolkata?
never. This is India.
This is India.
This is India. This is Bharat.
What do you think? Tonight is Independence Day. At the stroke of midnight.
Today, what has happened to RG Kar Abhaya is not a like a
Isolated case.
Okay, and it is not a free India for ladies till now.
Freedom means, at this point, freedom means freedom from rapists.
Freedom for all fear, where the world is without fear. It's said by Rabindranath Tagore, right? So let's make this world from out of all fear.
You are from?
I'm from South Kolkata, Lake Gardens.
Okay, you have come down to witness.
We want justice. We want justice for the RG Kar case.
Okay.
That's it.
We all agree. Blame rapists, not the women. Not the women. Don't blame a woman. Don't. Okay. Silence hides violence. Silence hides violence. Ma'am, where are you from?
I am actually from Jadavpur, Bortala.
Okay.
Okay, so I am a teacher of a college. It is very shocking to see that we are training students, we are helping them to grow up to be good human beings. But then what is happening finally? Like the girl child, we are helping to grow them. And then they are getting raped by the boys whom we are also training. So maybe we as parents and teachers are failing somewhere. We have to train ourselves to become good parents. First we have to become good parents. To bring justice, we have to train ourselves to be good parents. The boy who is 10 to 12 years old, the adolescent boys has to be trained properly so that they know how to respect a woman.
Okay. You think it's very important to teach children what is a good touch, which is a bad touch,
Exactly.
and also to boys not to rape?
Exactly. Boys have to be parents of boys. We request them, please train your son at the early age to to know what to grow up and how to respect women.
Well, it has started pouring and where you have come from?
I'm come from Goldrin.
Okay, you are here to participate in the protest.
Exactly. That's for my wife and for the security of my wife. Because she is a working lady. She can have this problem at any point of time, at any point of the night. I don't want this to happen in Kolkata because Kolkata is not known for this.
This conch is to bring in freedom, Independence Day, or a better tomorrow.
This is sort of our war cry, so that we can our voice can reach the right place and can hit the right people.
People blowing this conch to bring in a better tomorrow where they don't have to see such a brutal crime ever again.
I'm from Netaji Nagar.
Netaji Nagar.
Yes.
You are here with your family.
Yes, with my husband and my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law. My brother, same family.
All of you have come
Yes,
together.
yes. Yeah.
You know, it's very important to register our voice of protest against rape.
Yes,
How shaken are you?
very. Not only because of the rape, because of after the effect of the rape.
What would you want to tell the family of the RG Kaur doctor? I can't take her name. What would you want to tell the family tonight?
We don't know. There is nothing to say. Whatever we do, their loss will not be returned. So we don't know what to say. I have a daughter of 7 years. Today was her birthday.
Today is her birthday.
Yes. So I know what is this. I know how I feel very shaken of thinking of this. I don't know what, because nothing can stop that. If we don't, I have to come down for this reason.
You know, she's a mother of a daughter. Today is her daughter's birthday. And keeping her daughter is at home.
Yes.
Keeping the daughter at home, she has taken to the street at the stroke of midnight to bring in a better world, a better India, a better state and a better city. Not just for herself, but also for her daughter. Because the daughter would be growing up in the world that we leave behind. And that's the reason it is very, very imperative we leave behind a world for one and all, without a rapist, without a molester, without anyone who has such cannibalistic mindset to commit such a brutal crime on another human being. Ma'am, where are you from? Excuse me, where are you from?
Baguyati.
From Baguyati you have come down to participate in this protest. What is the message you are trying to give out to India on Independence Day?
We want justice, and the girl who has been brutally murdered and raped, she needs justice, and we'll give it to her. That's my message. We'll give it to her. She'll get her justice.
Has this now become your fight as well?
It's absolutely my fight. It's absolutely it has completely become my fight and nothing else.
Should we remember Independence Day with the fight that our forefathers had left the legacy of? Or we create a new fight, a fight against rape? Maybe these people and the city has given out the answer. On this Independence Day, this fight will equally be remembered. A fight against rape, a fight against assault, a fight against all kinds of violations. Ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from Kaliganj.
How important it is tonight to be here.
See, my both legs have rheumatic arthritis. फिर भी मैं आई हूँ.
Can you just show you have arthritis?
Yeah, rheumatic arthritis.
And you still come down?
Yeah, I've still come down and still walking from far away, walking for 2 miles.
Okay. Why? What is that message you want to give?
We want justice. We want justice.
You know, the parents would possibly be watching this.
Yeah,
What would
I
you
have a 21 years old girl. Girl. She goes to college. She goes to her workplace. So how can I be very safe thinking that my daughter has gone out? What is the outcome?
কোত্থেকে এসছেন মা? Where are you from? কোত্থেকে এসছেন?
এই এলাকার
হেঁটে এসছেন? কিভাবে এসছেন?
গাড়িতে খানিকটা এসে তারপরে হেঁটে
কষ্ট হচ্ছে না? এটা লড়াই? ম্যাম, হাউ ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইজ দিস? আপনি এই বয়সে রাস্তায় নেমেছেন।
হ্যাঁ, আমি এগুলো ভালোবাসি। প্রোটেস্ট, অন্যায়ের বিরুদ্ধে তো প্রোটেস্ট করতেই হবে না।
আজকে আজকে যে আরজিকর মেডিকেল স্টুডেন্টের মা, সেই মাকে কি বলবেন?
কিচ্ছু বলার নেই, কি বলবো, আমিও তো একজন মা, কি বলতে পারি বলুন, কিছু বলার ভাষা আছে?
How old is she?
She's 72. She's my mother. I am 45. So I know what she's going through.
I just requested my camera person to get up to give you a sense of the crowd which has swelled up. It was sweltering hot, then it started pouring, but nothing seemed to come in the way of public anger and the public emotion, which is so very charged up. And it is public anger which in a way has united so many people. Many of them are wearing a black t-shirt or a black shirt as a mark of protest, because what is happening tonight, it is not just a celebration of India's independence, but this is a struggle for a better India, a better independent India, maybe along with the freedom from fear and freedom from any such crimes. I do see, little children have come down. Don't focus. Little children have come down and hear the sound. In Bengali, it's called Uludhoni, the quintessential sound which defines Bengal and Bengali, the sound of conch and Uludhoni, which is often used to celebrate and usher in a new beginning, tonight is being used as a war cry. Are you here with your daughter?
Yes.
Okay. How important is this? It is very important
Very
for me.
As well as me.
Okay. What is that message you want to give out to India on Independence Day?
We want justice. We want to live here with peace, with protection.
This fight is also for your daughter?
Yeah.
Yes.
This
And
fight
also for me.
yourself?
Yeah.
I would say this fight is also for me. It is for one and all. You are a student?
Yes, I'm a student of class 11.
Okay. I won't ask you as what's your commentary on the incident, but how important it is to get the voice heard tonight.
It's for the women, I would say. It's for all of us. We have to raise our voices against this action out there. This needs to be stopped.
Many school children at school, they are being inappropriately touched. Maybe some van driver, bus driver, and they possibly don't even know what's happening to them.
Yes.
Do you think school and everyone should educate every child what is good touch and bad touch?
Yes, they should. I personally believe that they should.
Okay. Does it happen in your school?
Yes, they are also teachers.
Okay. What has happened to Archicor Medical College student, the 31-year-old PhD student? It is simply not barbaric, but all these people are giving out this message that this pain is theirs too. The wounds are theirs too. If the wounds are not seen physically, the wounds are deep inside the heart, because the wounds on her body had only scarred their beliefs, had only scarred their confidence, and that's the reason. Without any other Nirbhaya 3 or the third installment or the fourth installment or many other installments of a brutal crime like this, people have come out.
From Goria.
Okay, how important is this protest happening on the first hour of our freedom, Independence Day?
I think as a citizen of an independent country, everyone should come out of their home. This is not just about one incident. It is a phenomena. It is a social issue. It is against all these like animals who all our society have been nurturing. This is a social movement, and this is very important. We should all come out of our home to show our protest.
To show our support. But while India might celebrate, here from the streets of Kolkata and Bengal, the celebration has a different texture and a tone and a flavor. They're saying we can only celebrate independence when we have freedom from monsters, when we have freedom from fear. Thank you so much. Good night and take care.